Hi, welcome to my Take 3. Today we're going to be looking at the MagClap StandGo power bank from Benks. I want to thank Benks for sending this over for review. We're going to be doing an unboxing and I'm going to be giving my first impressions of the power bank. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future content that I'm going to be releasing, such as the full in-depth review. But for now, let's roll the intro. So let's get to it. I want to thank Benks for sending out this battery pack. Benks do some amazing products, from phone cases, headphone stands, which I actually have one myself, which is such a nice, clean, simple headphone stand. The design language is really cool. I'll leave links to their products down below so you can explore their products. And the headphone stand that I've got, I'll leave the link to that as well down below, so you can check that out if you want it. So this is the Benks with kickstand power bank. According to the website, this is called the MagClap StandGo power bank. And as of the recording of this, there's two colors available. There's black and there's white. The black is sold out. Hopefully that will be available soon for you to get. I'm not sure about the availabilities, but keep checking back on the website, and I'll leave the link to this battery pack obviously down below as well. And the white one is still available if you want it. So I'm going to get to the unboxing of this. I don't have my unboxing knife, so I got a knife, but it wasn't an unboxing knife. So let's get to unboxing this. I have never actually seen this product myself, and I have never touched or seen any aspect of this, so all of this is going to be my unboxing and my first impressions of this. So let's get to it. So we'll get to the battery in a moment. So inside here we have some information about the product, about what it does, and I guess this is a quality assurance test. And then we've also got the charging cable. Nice, USB-C to USB-C. Cool. So this is what comes in the box, and I'll just show on that. This, and this is the battery pack. So you got the startup guide, the USB-C to USB-C cable, and the battery pack itself. So let's move this to the side and let's focus on the star of the show. So the MagClap StandGo power bank, that's a bit of a mouthful, so I'm going to call it the Benks power bank from now on. From first impressions, it feels really nice. It's got a very grippy texture to it, which is quite nice. And I think this is actually metal, which is really nice. It's got a nice clap sound to it. So this has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It feels quite light as well, so it doesn't feel like a heavy battery pack. According to Benks, this will charge an iPhone 14 Pro 2 times. Now I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so I'm going to be testing that out because I don't know what the exact details are on that, but I'll be testing that out for my full review. It also charges the phone to 50% in 30 minutes, which is pretty good. And let's look around. So you've got some battery indicator icons here, which is very useful. I'm guessing this is the on button. Let's have a look. It was charged. Yeah, I'm assuming there's a charge to it. Let's try it out. Let's put the iPhone on there. Yep, so there you can see the indicator light showing that it is charged and charging the phone, and it's charging there. I'm recording my audio on the iPhone here with the microphone I've got here. So the battery magnets are actually, they're not the strongest magnets, but then I don't have my case on it. I'm going to get my iPhone case, the plastic case that I've got, because I have found that even with the MagSafe battery that Apple has, it is quite slippery on the back here. So I'm just going to get my case and try it out with that. So I have the iPhone clear case here now. Let me just put this on and then we can see what this is like. Oh yeah, that's much better. It's much more grippy. And imagine if you have a silicone case as well, it will probably have a bit more grip to it as well. So that's really good. This is a rubber texture as well, so you will get better grip. If we look around the battery pack here, you'll see that there's a USB-A port and there's also a USB-C port. The USB-C port has multiple functions. So the charging cable that came with it, obviously you can plug this into the other end and charge the battery pack. In my full in-depth review, I'm going to be testing how long it actually charges this battery pack from completely dead to 100%. And it also can output. So if I'm charging something from the battery pack to a device, it will output power from the battery itself. And it also has pass-through, which is really cool. So when you have a device on the battery pack, so just turn this off. So when you have a device on here and then you've got the kickstand up, you can actually plug in the USB-C cable to charge, and it will pass that power through to the device or to the phone. So if the battery pack is dead, then it will just charge the iPhone up, which is pretty cool. But it has got that kickstand, so if you do want to have your, say, conference call, you can prop it up like that and be on your call. Or say, for example, you're traveling and you want to watch, say, a movie on it, you can prop it up like this and you can watch a movie whilst charging your phone, which is a really nice feature. So just to put it side by side against the MagSafe, I'm only comparing the the sizes of these. I'm not comparing any features, mainly because the MagSafe battery has a 1460 milliamp hour battery, and this is intended to be a battery extender rather than a battery charger. So you just put this on the phone at the beginning of the day and then it will just optimize with Apple's software to just give you extra battery throughout your day. Well, this is more of a battery charger because this can charge your phone as a standalone, but can also plug in other devices into this with these two ports, as well as using the wireless charging. So as an example, I've got some cables here, my mess of cables, and then I can plug this in here and then plug this into my AirPods. And then I've got the USB-A cable, so I can plug this in, and then a USB-C. I don't actually have a USB-C device. I can plug this in. So these are my microphone. This is the microphone I have attached to me. And maybe a better example would be charging the MagSafe. I'm putting this on here. So there you go. So then I'm charging 3 devices, but you may have, say for example, an iPad, an iPhone, and AirPod Pros that you want to charge, and it will be able to do that, which is very easy, very convenient, and it's just so nice to have such a small compact charger with such a with 10,000 milliamps on it. It's just nice to have. Perfect for holidays or if you're traveling to work or whatever. So this has been my unboxing and my first impressions of the Benks battery pack. If you want to see my in-depth review, that will be coming in a couple of weeks. In a couple of weeks, I will actually be going on holiday to Portugal. So I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to probably test this battery pack out. And if you want to see what items I take with me on holiday, like what's in my tech bag when I travel, I'll leave the link to that video down below. And Benks, thank you for sending this out to me. Really appreciate it. And thank you for watching.